Hey, what's going on, my friend? It's Jason Foster here from smarthumanblogger.com. And most likely you're doing your research on this website that I'm on right now. This is a Spare5 website. And they also have their app on iPhone and also on the Android application. All right, so what this site is all about, I'm just going to tell you what it is. I'm going to do a quick review so you can actually learn what it is. Ultimately, you will know if it's actually going to be for you or not. All right. So the premise with this website is that they're showing you how to do some simple tasks, and they're paying you around 1 cent to 2 cents to get those tasks completed. Now, I've been online for some time, so I know a lot about these type of sites. The most popular type of site like this is the Amazon Mechanical Turk that you see right now on my screen. All right, and with Amazon Mechanical Turk, what they do, they actually pay around $2 per hour for people who are completing these tasks, all right? So $2 per hour, some people will do good with $2 per hour, so they will work 8 hours and they will get $16 for the day. And, that's good money for some people, right? But so let me show you what's going on inside right now. So basically, as an example, for the annotate images on Spare5, you're doing simple stuff, right? So like in this example, you'll be just putting in the water for this example, the road, lake, you have the mountain right here and the cloud. So you're just gonna be annotating those, all right? You also see this image of this little boy in his in a shirt, and you're just going to be just kind of isolating the elements, making sure everything lines up properly for that particular task right there. Now, as I said, they pay you 1 cent to 2 cents per task. Now, they also have on their site, they have surveys that you can actually do as well. Now, the surveys are a little bit higher, which is actually 10 cents per task, all right? Now, the thing with these type of sites is that for me personally, I don't use these sites to make money online, all right? I do a business model that I'm going to tell you about shortly, which is very much more lucrative and is something I recommend you get into. But they actually take so much time from you to make money on this site. So if you were to spend, for example, your day on this website, most likely you earn maybe like $5 for the day, all right? Now, in my view, your time is worth much more than that. Your time is the number one commodity that we all have, right? So you want to make sure that even if you come here and you decide to do it, you can do it for a little time to maybe make some spare change. But ultimately, you want to really know how to do a real business online, or maybe do some Amazon Mechanical Turk that actually pays a little bit better, all right? Now, with this website, the good thing about it is that they're a legitimate websites, because if you don't know, there are many, many scams out there nowadays. I reviewed quite a few of them on this site. So some sites claiming that you can make like 500 per day doing nothing and stuff like that. So I am glad to report that this site is legit. The only thing that they pay very minuscule, all right, minuscule amount of money on their site. They pay by PayPal. So if you are thinking of coming onto the site, you make sure you have your PayPal account set up and ready to receive the funds that they will send to you. All right. People are saying good things about them already, even though it's a brand new site. The only complaint that I researched online so far is that they're not having a lot of tasks available for people. All right. So people are complaining that, not enough tasks. All right. So obviously they're going to be working on stuff like that to get more jobs for people to complete. All right. Now, as I said, it's a good site, legit, nice and clean, renowned. They work with big brands all over the place, as you can see: Expedia, Microsoft, Pinterest, um, Sentient, and all those others, right? So good site for you to get started with if you want to make very small amount of money. Now, as I said, my friend, I do earn a full-time income online from my home. As you see, I'm in my home right now, and I'm doing pretty good in terms of working online. And I do the business model called affiliate marketing. It's a very good business model. It's been around for a very long time, very lucrative once you know what you're doing. Now, I have a training that I actually wrote for you with 4 steps to affiliate marketing, all right? 4 simple steps that you can actually learn about, plug into, and actually build up a sustainable business online. Now, if you want to get access to that, I have the link right in my description. It's going to be a free affiliate marketing guide. All right. Very newbie friendly. A lot of people, a lot of my colleagues are implementing these strategies, and we all make full-time incomes online. So if you want to check that out, make sure that you click that link and get over there. In addition to that, I have a very much more lucrative business that I'm doing as well. If you want to take a look at it, it's my #1 recommended training right now, and you will see it in the description as well on the top. So you can also click on that if you want to check it out. Now, my friend, if you have any question in regards to Spare5 or anything related to affiliate marketing, you can always leave your comment right below here, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. You can also send me an email at my email address. It's jason@smarthumanblogger.com, and I'll be more than happy to assist you there as well, my friend. Now, if you like the video, please go ahead and do me a favor, put some thumbs up on it. You can also subscribe if you want to get more videos like this in the future, because I put out content on a regular basis to help my viewers and my subscribers. All right. So I thank you so much for taking your time. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. And again, take care. This is Jason Foster, and I'll see you in the next video, my friend. Take care now.